A 2.2% reduction is expected in Dogecoin by tomorrow, according to Traders Union. Let's begin with a brief look at today's price direction. According to the current data, Dogecoin has moved up 1.5% today and sits around $0.0772. Let's move into expert prediction mode. The price could move to $0.078 tomorrow, per 30 rates, marking a gain of 1%. Digital coin price expects a move higher for Dogecoin to $0.07731, an increase near 0.1%. Coin data flow notes it might move lower towards $0.07618, roughly 1.3% down. A different analysis from Traders Union shows Dogecoin could descend towards $0.07552, roughly 2.2% down. Finally, Gulf Capital Collector suggests a decline to $0.0723 by July 7. That's 6.4% down. This forecast stands out for its return potential. Forecasts are in. Let's see what the data says next. Summing up the forecasts from all analysts, here's what we've got. The combined outlook suggests movement anywhere from a decline of 6.4% to an increase of 1%. To sum it up, Gulf Capital Collector offers the highest forecast with 6.4% gain in value by July 7. This means you could collect between $1 and $64 for every $1,000 you invest. With volatility taken into account, digital coin prices forecast indicates the most likely movement with a 89.4% chance of success. With all forecasts taken together, I've produced a consensus outlook. The consensus scenario shows Dogecoin losing about 1.7% in value. Let's go a little deeper. The consensus outlook indicates a 1.7% fall in price by tomorrow. That shift indicates your capital could also experience a 1.7% rise. For every 1,000, that could suggest a potential increase of $17. The chance of this consensus scenario occurring is assessed at approximately 79.1%. Let's quickly review the 3-day forecasts before moving on. 30 rates anticipates the price heading north. Additionally, digital coin price anticipates Dogecoin following a bullish course. An upward path is additionally anticipated by coin data flow. Traders Union expects Dogecoin to stay relatively flat in the coming days. A slide is anticipated by Gulf Capital Collector, with pressure on the downside. Taken as a whole, the consensus shows Dogecoin staying level in the short term. Looking at the full set of forecasts, most suggest Dogecoin will push higher. 5 sites published forecasts 2 days ago. Yesterday showed how accurate they turned out. As a result, the actual move took the price to $0.0779. Yesterday showed that only a small number of forecasts captured the right direction. The most exact forecasts belong to Coin Codex. Time to sort through the results more carefully. The candle limits contained 3 forecasts. Speaking of ROI, not all results were positive, but Traders Union achieved the strongest gain at 1.7%. Here's the daily overview, a simple summary of all results. With 11% forecast probability and 0 to zeros, $5,533,374,172 accuracy, crypto predictions achieved an ROI of 1.3%. See who came closest to reality in this set of results. Now let's see how Dogecoin's potential forecasted return compares with those of other assets. Dogecoin isn't on top in this comparison since XRP currently leads with 1.9% potential growth. This comparison includes Dogecoin and 4 random cryptocurrencies. The extended comparison is already open on my website. If this helped you skip the endless charts and focus on what matters, please like the video. Stay safe and see you soon.